Port Scan with Nmap allows you to discover which TCP or UDP ports are open on your target host. Network ports are the entry points to a machine that is connected to the Internet. A service that listens on a port is able to receive data from a client application, process it, and send a response back. Malicious clients can sometimes exploit vulnerabilities in the server code so they can gain access to sensitive data or execute malicious code on the machine remotely. That is why testing for all ports is necessary in order to achieve a thorough security verification. Port scanning is usually done in the initial phase of a penetration test in order to discover all network entry points into the target system. Port scan takes the biggest part of our Nmap lectures. In what I would call the most basic port scan types lectures, we see the following: Nmap options of port scanning, SYN scan, TCP scan, comparison between the SYN scan and TCP scan, UDP scan, and some other types of port scans.